The Bosch boiler's D5 error code is displayed when the boiler detects a condensate pump failure. This error code is typically triggered by common issues such as frozen condensate pipes or a faulty condensate pump. To resolve the issue, it is recommended to start by unfreezing the condensate pipes. This can be done by locating the frozen pipes and pouring warm water over them, then turning on the pump to allow the water to flow. Alternatively, a heat wrap or hot water bottle can be used, although these methods are less effective than pouring warm water. If the issue lies with the condensate pump itself, it should be replaced. To do this, the boiler should be disconnected and allowed to cool. Then the condensate pump, usually located at the bottom, should be accessed. The drain pipe should be disconnected, and any residual water emptied into a bucket. The wiring and check valve should then be disconnected and set aside. The old pump can be removed, and a new one aligned and reconnected, with the wiring and drain pipe reattached. Finally, the power should be restored, and the pump tested to ensure it is working correctly.